So when Blue was a little pup, she grew up on the world's like smallest beanbag. I think it was called the Big Joe. So someone in my neighborhood was selling two. They're like $100 each, but for some reason she was selling two of them for like $50. And she just posted as I just entered the neighborhood, so I scooped that up. That's her oversized bed. And then here's her. This is ridiculous. Like, oh my god, like that's she has no idea. She's like, I want my beanbag, Dad.